Hi, in front of me is REALME C3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and type edges. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it and click on this theme. Name it, tap OK Creative and close on that. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change around style, add pattern, select animation speed, border size and many other things. You can even adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources like photos. Select the photo. Adjust it and click at the top right corner. Then choose Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, click on Set As and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wish to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home over here, click, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other app. Choose Yes. Click on the switcher next to Edges app. Go back and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!